How to get Retail Me Not coupon inserts sent to your home. This is going to be a quick video. Just scroll down right here. How to get Retail Me Not coupon inserts. Request an everyday coupon book. Simply go to their website and fill out the coupon form. All you have to do is click this link right here. Go to their website. Then you will see coupon book finder. Fill in your address, your city, your state, and your zip code. Then click Find Now. It takes a couple weeks to process, but then you will get the coupons in the mail every Tuesday.